Hello world, welcome to our channel Logical Programming. In this video we are going to create a program for factorial of number. So this is what factorial means. Factorial of number is multiplication till 1 to that number, means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. And if factorial of number is if we want to find factorial of number 3, then we need to multiply 1 into 2 into 3. If you want a factorial of number 5, then 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So let's create a program for this. Create a new file and save to factorial.c. Include stdio.h and main function. Then so we need to multiply till 1. So this will a loop. So we need a loop. I'm using for loop for declare I int I is equals 0. I equals 1, I less than number, I plus plus. Declare number also into num and enter any number. Scanner %d comma and number. In for loop we need to multiply number 1 to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. If number is, let's consider number is 4, then we need to multiply it 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, and this will be our factorial number. So this condition should like this, means 1 to 2 number. And let's declare another variable answer, and answer equal to I into answer, and by default answer equal to 1. So our answer will stored in this answer. Factorial number will stored in answer variable. Let's print this. Printf %d factorial of %d is %d number comma answer. So let's execute this program. So enter number. I'm going to insert 2. So factorial of 2 is 2. Execute again. Factorial of number 4. Factorial of number 4 is 24. And let's cross check. So here is 24. So our program is successfully compiled with no errors and shows proper result. So if you understood this video, then hit like and comment if you don't understand or have any doubts, and subscribe if you want more videos. Thanks for watching.